Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon, covering essential steps from selection to serving. Look for vibrant color and firm flesh. Patting your salmon dry is crucial for achieving that desirable crispy skin. Then, season it simply with salt and pepper, or add herbs like dill or parsley for extra flavor. This foundational step ensures a delicious outcome for any cooking method you choose. There are several fantastic ways to cook salmon, each offering a unique texture and taste. Pan-searing creates a beautiful, crispy skin and tender interior. Baking is a simple, hands-off method perfect for a flaky result. Grilling imparts a smoky flavor and nice char, ideal for outdoor cooking. Choose the method that best suits your preference and available equipment. Knowing when your salmon is perfectly cooked is key to a delicious meal. The ideal internal temperature is 145 degrees Fahrenheit. You can also check for doneness by gently flaking the thickest part with a fork. It should separate easily. Overcooked salmon becomes dry, so watch it closely. Always let your salmon rest for about 5 minutes after cooking to allow the juices to redistribute, ensuring maximum flavor and tenderness. Salmon is incredibly versatile and pairs well with many flavors. Classic combinations like fresh lemon, fragrant dill, and savory garlic always work beautifully. For a different twist, consider a sweet and tangy glaze using honey soy or maple Dijon. These additions can elevate your salmon dish to new heights. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Eau à la water bottle and other great deals to enhance your kitchen experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.